These yummy oatmeal chocolate chip cookies were so delicious. Stick around and see how they were made.
Hey guys, here's the ingredients for the oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. First we have 4 cups of old-fashioned oats, a teaspoon of baking soda, a half tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 stick or 1 cup of shortening, and I chose the butter flavor shortening, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, 2 large eggs. So let's get started. Now I'm going to add my shortening to the bowl. And gradually add my sugars.
Right here, the struggle is real with the whisk, so I will be switching to a spatula. I got better results that way. Here I will add my eggs one at a time, mixing very well.
I'm also going to add my wet ingredients, the vanilla, 1.5 teaspoons, and 2 tablespoons of milk.
See, the batter is coming along, and watch how smooth it gets.
Now I'm going to add my dry ingredients, the flour, the salt, and the baking soda. Just going to fold that in. Oops. Got some flour that escaped. Have you guys ever seen the movie Sausage Party? Just thinking about when the mustard tried to escape. A rated or cartoon or animated film. So we're going to fold and try to incorporate all the ingredients. That looks pretty good. Be sure you try to scrape your bowl and get the flour that's at the bottom. Now we're going to put in our oats, 4 cups of oats, and our chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate chips. And we're going to fold those in.
We have the ingredients incorporated. I'm going to use an ice cream scooper to place my cookie dough on my trusted cookie sheet here. The directions said preheat the oven to 375 and cook time will be 13 to 15 minutes.
Okay, it's been about 14-15 minutes. Ooh, looks delightful.
And we're just going to let the cookies cool on the silicone baking sheet. I love these things, guys.
First batch down, let's start on the second one. So guys, let's try these oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. Okay, looks good. They're actually good, not too bad. And I got this recipe from the back of the oatmeal box, so you guys try it and let me know how it turns out, or if you like this recipe, or what would you do differently to make it better. See you later, renovators. The batch made 32 cookies. The ingredients on the back said it would yield 42 cookies, but I only got 32. Maybe I used too much in the ice cream scooper, but these are the finished cookies, guys, and these turned out pretty good.